Today I will demonstrate how to import and export tracks and stems from the Tascam 2488 and Tascam 2488 Neo digital Porta Studio. First, from the home screen, I'll show you that there's a short track here, track 1, that's been recorded.
Test, 1, 2. Let's see if it records like it's supposed to do.
What I'm going to do is demonstrate first how to export that track 1. And this will be pretty much the same for every track on the unit. So first what you want to do is on the home screen, hit the menu button, which takes you to this screen, and you want to go to the wave in out. And toggle with the cursor keys and then press yes, enter. And then you want to go to USB export using the cursor, and then you press yes, enter. And the only track on there is track 1, as we just saw. If there were other tracks present, then they would show on the screen. So you press yes, enter. It shows the resolution and the size of the file. And you press yes, enter. Export to FAT. Press yes, and it will write the file. Now that it's written the file, what you would want to do is go back to the menu, and from the menu, this time you go to disk, and then from there you toggle to USB open close. Press yes, enter, and then are you sure? Yes, enter. Storing the song. From here, you just go to your computer, and it will be stored in the WAV file that is on there. And you're going to look for track 1, which is going to, in alphabetical order, be right here. As you can see, if I pull this up, I can copy and paste it anywhere.
Test, 1, 2. Test, 1, 2.
Now that we have demonstrated how to export stems or tracks, let's demonstrate the reverse on how to import. So in this case, you would want to make sure that you have all stems that you want to import in mono WAV file format, and you want to put them into this same WAV folder that we have track 1 in. For demonstration purposes, I will use the same track and I will import it into track 2 on the unit, so you'll now see the process. I'll put it on a different track so you'll see that it came in on a different track instead of the same track, therefore making this a stereo version of the same track. However, this is the same process for importing any stem into tracks in the Tascam unit. So once we have it on there, we would just close this out and go back to the Tascam. On the home screen, as you can see, it's just the one track. So I am going to demonstrate how to import a stem, putting that same track on the second track. So you would go to menu, and from menu you would go down to wave in out, toggle with the cursor key, press yes, and go to USB import, press yes. Now, all the stems that are compatible, that can be imported, will show here. There's only one at this time, which is the track 1 I recently exported. So that since that's selected, I'll press yes. And you want to select what track you want to put it in. So I put track 2. Press yes. So there's nothing on track 2, and we're going to put it there. Import file. Yes. For another file, you can push yes if there were other files at this time that you want to import in sequence, so that you can put all the tracks on the board at one time if you would like. In this case, we're doing one track for demonstration purposes, so I'll push no. So now, as you can see, we're back at the home screen. If I press play, you're going to see that same track on track 2 as well.
Test, 1, 2. Let's see if it records like it's supposed to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you import and export tracks and stems on the Tascam 2488 and 2488 Neo. Thank you for watching.